Welcome. Are you looking to let your Telegram group members send stickers and GIFs but not sure how to update the settings? You're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn exactly how to allow group members to send stickers and GIFs in your Telegram group, using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in, and that you have admin rights in the group where you want to change the permissions. Next, go to the group chat where you want to enable stickers and GIFs for members. You can find your groups in the chat list. Just tap on the group to enter. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group picture or the group name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and access settings. Now, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil or similar symbol in the top corner of the group profile page. Tap on it to enter the edit menu. In the edit menu, find and tap on the permissions option. This section controls what group members can and cannot do. Within permissions, you'll see a list of different actions that members can perform. Find the option labeled Send Media and tap on it to view more detailed settings. Here, you'll see a list of media types that can be allowed or restricted. Look for the Stickers and GIFs choice and make sure it is check-marked. This enables all group members to send stickers and GIFs in the chat. Once you've selected stickers and GIFs, your changes should save automatically. You can now go back to your group chat and let your members know they're free to share their favorite stickers and GIFs. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you've updated your Telegram group permissions and made your chat more fun and expressive for everyone. Thanks for watching and enjoy connecting with your group.